Okay, I'm going into logistic general. You there? Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Kadir.
So material master again. Last time we updated for the raw material. If you remember. Define attributes of material types. So the material type was ROH for raw material. For finished product, FERT, right?
Yes.
Select this, quantity value updating, looking for my valuation area, that is nothing but my plant. So it is updated, selected, both. So material groups also we have defined, one for the finished product, one for the raw material. So now I go back to the sales and distribution. Basic functions, pricing control here. Define and assign pricing procedure. What I showed you earlier. Define pricing procedure determination. So I'll click on new entries. So I hope you have noted down the standard one, right? This one. Right? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
So RVA, what are this? New entries. So this is the pricing procedure. Sales organization, J700.
Yes.
We created. So J7 is my distribution channel, division is J7, right? Document pricing procedure, standard. Yeah, I'm picking. Customer pricing procedure, standard. So what is the condition type for pricing? PR 00. Example I gave you, right?
Not in procedure.
Condition type PR is not in a procedure. Okay, let us check this procedure.
It was there, no? Yesterday we saw it.
Yeah. One second. It's a standard one I'm taking now. People just change it. Let me check. Maybe some other issue that is. This will be slow, man, actually. Always your logistics goes a little slower. See,
Maybe
changed it. Can you see here? 7979. So these are the standards. People don't have minds. Should not change the standards. Okay. If you want, you create another one and use it.
yeah.
J700, J7, J7 is the same. Done. Save it. Clear?
Yes.
Hello. Back.
Yeah.
Next. Account assignment, revenue account determination, assign GL accounts. Okay. So what is the default account determination type?
Account.
Condition type, COFI. Remember yesterday we seen it, right? Application key,
Yeah.
condition type, COFI. This is the default one. Okay. So I'll just say new entries. Now you tell me application V, condition type coffee,
Yeah.
right? Chart of accounts our J700,
Yes.
sales of
Yes.
J700,
Yes.
ERL. I
Mm.
showed you, right? Account key.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what is the GL account? Here we will take the GL account. So what I'll do is, instead of taking the existing one which has the values, let's take the fresh one. Is it okay, or should I take the existing one then? Okay, it's your wish. I'll take the existing one otherwise. 3. Like this you will maintain for taxes and all those things. Okay, same way.
Okay.
Back. I'll just save it. Back. So where did I maintain? I maintained at account key level, not at these levels. Okay, so it keeps on checking from the top and it will stop here.
Mm.
Next. Partner functions. Partner determination here. Okay. Here. Now what is this partner determination? A customer can be sold to party, right? Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Ship to party. It can be a ship to party.
Yeah.
It can be a bill to party. Getting this, Jayaprada?
Yes.
And a payer. Okay. Imagine Jayaprada is a customer. Okay. So you are a sold to party, right? Ship to party is also you, right? It should be shipped to your address, right? Bill might be someone else who will be billed to. Okay. Hello?
Yeah.
Let's say your father will bill it, and he is the payer also. Getting this?
Yes.
Yeah, brother.
Yes.
Remember, this 3 can change. Okay. Maybe you are gifting some phone to your friend, like this.
Mm.
This 3 can change anytime, but this will not change sold to party. Am I right?
So sold to party will be the same as customer, we are saying.
Exactly. Sold to party will never change. Sold to party you cannot change. These you can keep it optional. Like for the same customer sold to party, Jaya can keep on changing this, right?
Yes.
Mm.
Jaya can keep on changing, but sold to party, no. Okay. So these are called as partner functions. There are many other, you can keep on defining it. Okay. Clear? So what I'll do is, the customer which we have, I'll create a fresh customer. We need to create one customer, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So let's create accounting, chill accounting, accounts receivable, or you can extend the same one. Last time I showed you, right? Extending the vendor
Yeah.
centrally, this one, XD01.
Mm.
We took FD01 all this while.
Yeah.
Okay, account group. It is in J700, company code J700. See, we never gave this sales organization like this. If you people have created a customer, right? See,
We never knew.
and this consists of 3 segments. In my first session when I took AR, okay, 2 segments we already covered, general data and the company code. Sales area we have not covered in this. So sales area is getting added to this. Here I'll say, sorry. Yeah. US, whatever, you can fill up those data, all those company code data. Okay, till here you are comfortable, right? Like all this we used to give,
Yeah.
right? Now I'm going to the sales area data. Sales office we created. Sales group we created. Customer group created. Did we? Sales group I think we created, not the customer
Yeah.
group. Okay, fine. Remember customer group, where did we see? Account assignment.
Yeah.
Customer, you can create and group it. Based on this, it will pick up then. Okay, different GL.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Similarly, I'll show you the grouping account assignment group for material in the material master. So customer pricing procedure, we took standard, right? See here. Remember, RVA 001, standard one. Shipping, delivery priority, all this will be taken care by the SD, normal. Shipping condition, standard. I'll take. Delivering plant, J700. Now I go to this billing documents. Invoicing dates, calendar, what you follow? 01, same 01. Normal calendar. Incoterms, FOB, free on board. Payment terms, credit control area. See here, account assignment group. I'll take it as, sorry, this one. Karthik, this is the one, account assignment group for customers. Okay, not the one which I showed you. Customer group I showed you, right?
Yeah.
This is the one, sorry. Okay.
Oh, account assignment group is first one. Okay.
Yeah, this is the one. What we have checked it in the VKOA.
Yeah.
I'll show you again. VKOA. Here, this customer group.
Right. Yeah.
So this is the one. Account assignment group for customers. This is the one. Okay. Now in the partner function you will see nothing. Okay, this condition times we need to do it. I'll show you when the error comes, we'll do it. Okay, this is not our this thing, right? S500. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know who have assigned it. Okay, I'm taking the 0. We'll come back when the error comes. I'm just saving it. Okay, like in the partner function, nothing is there. See? I'll save it. Okay, customer created. Now I'll come back to the partner functions. Set up partner determination. You're doing it for the customer, right?
Yeah.
Customer. New entries. People get confused here, so pay attention what I'm trying to do. See, new entries. So first I'm giving my partner determination, which is, I'll say like this. This is partner determination procedure for J700. Just like a variant. Okay? Clear? Hello?
Yes.
I saved it. Select this. Click this, partner functions in procedure. What are the functions that you will have? What are the functions we said? Sold to party, right? SP.
Yeah.
You can select from here if you want. Whatever functions from here. Okay?
Okay.
I'm selecting sold to party. SH is for ship to party. BP, note down. SP is equal to sold to party, SH is equal to shipped to party, BP is equal to billed to party, PY is equal to payer. This what you're seeing is not modifiable. What did I say? Sold to party is not modifiable, right?
Yes.
Then mandatory. All these are mandatory, should be available. This I'll change it whenever I feel it. Clear?
So this is mandatory in customer master. It will become mandatory. You are saying, right?
Yeah,
When
yeah,
you
it
are
is a mandatory
declared,
function. Yeah, because what will happen? This will come at the time of the sales order, sold to party. At the time of the delivery,
Right.
shipped to party. At the time of the billing,
Invoicing.
bill to party, invoicing. Payer F-28. Remember incoming,
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
I'll save it. Clear?
Yeah.
No confusion till here, right? See here. Now partner determination procedure assignment. Click on this. Go to the position. What was the group? J700, right? Our group, when we created customer, right? Account group for customers we created, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Jason.
To that group, when I created my partner determination J700, I'm assigning it. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay? J700. Clear till here?
But we did we create the group?
Arey brother, we created when we created accounts receivable, na? Forgot, huh? In the start, how do we create a customer without a group then?
Oh, that one.
This group.
Okay.
This group.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Right. I thought within account key that one you were saying. Okay.
No. Customer. This is customer.
Okay.
Now I'm going to this account groups. See, I'm going to this account groups again. New entries. Sold to party. What should be account group? J700. Shipped to party. J700 only. Bill to party. J700. Am I right? Payer also J700. Right? Clear? Not clear? Group.
So,
account group.
Just one thing, Gary. This group and the other customer group that we were talking about, that is different. You were saying.
Which customer group I was talking about?
Customer-
Account assignment group for customers. Huh? No. That is different, man. This is customer master.
Yeah, that's fine. In customer master, this group is mandatory, right? We have to define what to define
Now,
the nature
why
of
I
the
am giving this partner functions, you should understand this by after I show you. See, I'll save it. So enter. Just ignore that. Just saved it. Now you see, I'm done with it. Now I'll go back to that customer master. That will give you more clarity now. See here. I'll go to the change mode. This is my customer. Continue. Got updated partner functions?
Yeah.
So this I can change, this I can change, this I can change. So you create one more customer, you assign a different here customer. You assign different customer here. You assign different customer here, and when you run the scenario, then you see. Each time you will get a different customer at a different levels in the scenario.
Right.
Clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this was about the customer master. Now I need to create one material master for my finished product, right?
Right.
MM01, remember? FG, mechanical, material type?
Finish good.
Huh?
FG.
FERT.
FERT,
FERT.
Mm.
Enter. Basic data. Note it down what I'm selecting. Organization data, all this. Okay, MRP1. This is very important. Work scheduling. Sales data 1, data 2, plant and data. Work scheduling, accounting one. That's it. Work scheduling, accounting one. Continue. So I'll give my plant here. J700, JFG, right? Yeah. J700, J7, right? Continue. See here, this is J700FG. So this I'll keep it as piece. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
So JFG is my group, right?
Right.
Okay. Division, weight, that piece weight. Enter. Okay. Delivering plant. Here. This taxation will need to come back and do it. As of now, I'm not doing anything, so I'm just giving as an exemption. Let's see, when we get an issue, we'll come back. Okay. Account assignment group for material. Karthik, that account assignment group for customer I've shown you. This is for the material master. With this combination, do you want to assign the GL?
Yeah.
Okay. 2 I've shown you. It is not mandatory. It's up to you. If this combination is maintained, you will maintain. Otherwise, no.
But if you maintain that combination, this will become mandatory.
No, it will not become. I'm just showing you. That's it.
Okay.
Karthik, I just showed you how to maintain.
Right.
Because with that combination, we have not maintained. We have maintained at the account key level, right?
Yeah, we've taken account key, but if we
Account
take
key.
that, then also it will not be mandatory.
Like this, you can create your own account assignment group. Based on this, you can assign different GL. Now you got that? How to assign different GL now, right?
Yeah.
So let's take container, transportation group, how it will be transported, loading group, crane. Okay. Availability check, I'll keep it as no check, KP. Okay, it's a mandatory field. Enter. MRP type, we are not running any MRP, so I'll just give ND. Production storage location, where it will get stored, JFG, right? Storage location. Enter. What's the valuation class?
3,000
Not 2000. It's
7920.
7920.
So earlier we took it as moving average. This price is on our control. Now we'll decide the price for selling, right? Standard. So let's say 10,000.
Right.
Okay, this is what the pricing is, right? I'll save it. What is this price? Cost price.
Yeah.
Hello. Cost of the material. Your selling price will be different, right?
Right. This is cost of goods sold.
Correct. Okay. So let's maintain the pricing also. Week 11. I told you, right? Maintaining the price automatic. Auto, manual. Right? So week 11. So what is the condition type for pricing? Here.
PRO.
PR00. Enter. So I want the material with a release status, means material which can be used to sell, which should be in a release status only. I'll say continue. Which material? J700 FG material. Okay, so the amount that I will sell it is for 15,000. Clear, Jayapra? The pricing is clear. That cost price is 10,000. This is my selling price. Okay, valid from when to when? Whatever you can give it. Clear? Price? Save it. Done. So like this, for all the majority of the condition types you can maintain here, so it will update automatically. If you do not maintain here, okay, then you have to maintain it in the sales order level. Okay, I'll show you that manual.
Yeah.
So what all we did for the testing purpose? In the master data, I have created customer, right, which is centrally. Then what did we do? Then we created material master, right?
Material master.
Then we did the price update.
Week 11.
Okay. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. One more configuration for the transportation I actually forgot. Just like to show you. In the logistics execution, shipping, here, this is for the delivery, you need to do this. Assign shipping points, this one. Shipping condition, standard. Loading group, we took it, right? Remember, crane. In the plant is J700. And proposed shipping point, proposed material shipping point, you can give it here. Fine. Now let's run the scenario. Okay. Pay your attention very carefully, this one. Testing will give you more knowledge than the config side. So I'm testing this. So this is my order to cash scenario. Jayaprada, Gaji, order to cash. Pay your attention here.
Yes, correct.
Logistics execution, sales and distribution, mass data, sales, sorry, here. Inquiry, first part. Move on into inquiry. This will be slow, man. You need to bear with this. Okay, like we have document types, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Like this, IN. Okay, J700, J7, enter.
So you can give anything, right? Inquiry type.
No. This is a standard one I have taken, IN.
Okay.
Like how we have SA, right, for GL?
Yes.
Same thing. This is an inquiry types for the, this is associated with a number range.
Okay. But that number range is internal. We don't need to define it, right?
No, it is set up actually. Okay, now see here. Sold to party, shipped to party.
Yes.
If I have taken different ship to party, that will come different because I have taken just both sold to party and ship to party also, right?
Hmm.
I'll get this. Okay. This particular order is valid from what date to what date? So 30th 04 2014. Material J700 FG. How many orders? I want to order 10 quantity. Okay. Press enter. Alright, this should be 4 man. Okay, see I double click on this item 10.
Hmm.
Okay, now if you go to the shipping over here, can you see the storage location?
Yeah.
Hello, I'll fill it
Yeah.
over here. J FG, right? Storage location, finished product.
Yeah.
If you go to the conditions over
But-
here, you can see.
But we gave this in the master data, right? JFG. It didn't take it.
We gave it in the
from-
master data of the material master, but at the billing level it will not, the shipping condition it is not updating over here. There is one particular location we need to enter. I don't remember when exactly.
Okay.
In the SD side, if you enter it will update automatically here also. Okay, so I came here for the billing document. This is all we entered, right? Free on board and all this. Now in the condition, this is where you can give manually if it is not given here. Hello,
Yes.
price is correct, right? Per piece, 10 pieces, correct price?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll save it now. Okay, you can always check for any errors over here. Okay, save it. This is just an inquiry. If you want to do it, if you don't want to do it, it's up to you. Okay.
But in
You
what
can directly
circumstances we create inquiry? Like this, in this case, we are just selling, right? Why are you creating
He is
inquiry?
selling.
here?
Customer has asked for an inquiry. He has come for an inquiry something, right? We
So
are
we
jotting
will-
out that inquiry. Huh?
Then we'll be sending him the print or whatever.
Quotation. Based on this, you will give him a quotation.
Okay.
Based on this inquiry, he'll sit and negotiate, right? What else they are taken, man? Correct?
Yeah.
Control C. So this is my inquiry. So as you said, based on the inquiry, we do the quotation, right?
Okay.
Clear, Jayaprada? Okay. So QT standard. So create with reference, right? See here. So I need to give my inquiry right over here. Copy. Okay, valid from so and so date. Okay, see this condition, same thing, right? Look, same thing. So edit in completion log for any errors, no errors, go ahead and save it. It is not compulsory this, Karthik.
Yeah.
He can directly place order also, right?
Right.
Getting my point. Am I right?
Yeah.
So here I go, order, sales order. You have to remember this transaction code, man, VA01. Okay, so create with reference, right? So as per my quotation, copy. Anywhere GL has updated? Anywhere? Till here?
No.
No. I showed you, right? Manually also you can update the condition type. Okay, here. Manually. Manual means here. PR00 like this you will give here. Manual. Okay. Because we set it up automatically, so it has updated automatically over here.
Okay. So if we hadn't given anything in VK11, then we'll come here and give all this.
Come here and give. Okay.
But this gross value
things you have to
discount.
remember here. Two things you have to remember here, Karthik. In sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing, pricing control, define and assign pricing procedure, maintain pricing procedure. Your standard procedure, if you go there, into that procedure, there will be manual required statistical, remember?
Yeah.
Like if I select here, if I go to this control data for PR00, it is what? See here, manual, not checked. Required, not checked. Statistical, not checked. So if I select this required, it will become a mandatory. It will not allow you to go from there. So in sales order, it will tell you compulsory you need to enter PR00, otherwise it will not allow if you select this. Clear?
Which is good only, right? We need to select this. Like if we are not maintaining.
Actually somebody has, it will be required only. Somebody has, you know, this just may change to the standards. You should not touch standard. You copy that and do whatever you want to do it. Okay.
So then this gross value and all this that is appearing here below price, you know, gross value discount amount, all that will be manual then.
How will we manually?
Yeah, all that will enter manually if in case it was
If it is not maintained, then you have to enter manually.
Okay.
So edit in completion log.
But these are no condition type, no gross value or discount.
We did not maintain it, no. We have not maintained it at all, right? Did we? I have not done, right? I have not taken, right? Like only for PR00 I maintained, no condition type.
Right. Right. So if we do it manually, then only the first line we'll give, right? The rest we are not concerned with. Gross value.
No, I'm not concerned with. Neither did I maintain it. Okay, I'll save it.
They're showing AZWR also on the screen, down payment settlement.
They changed it, man. Actually, they created it themselves, this one, down payment part. That standard RVA 001 is there, right? In that, he pushed this condition types, his own condition types.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe he took a down payment from the customer and all that he pushed it.
Mm.
This is the standard order. So what do we do based on the order?
Invoice, no?
Huh?
Oh, create material thing. Shipping order.
We need to delivery, right? Delivery should be done, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We need to deliver, right?
Mm.
So when we do delivery to the customer, what is the entry?
Stock credit.
To cost of goods
Yeah, cost of goods.
sold
Right.
to
To
FG, right? Whatever that
FG.
stock is.
Mm. Yeah.
Going, na? This is going out, right?
Correct.
So this is going out. At what price? This is a cost of goods sold.
That will go at
10
1 lakh. 10,000.
10,000.
Mm.
Price of 10,000, not 15,000.
Mm.
Right? This is my entry.
Yeah.
Now for this FG we have already set it up, right? Remember? BSX
Yeah.
7920,
7920.
whatever that entry was, GL account of FG, right?
Mm.
But did we set up for cost of goods sold?
No.
No.
No, right?
No.
Huh?
No.
Right. So this is an offsetting entry. Agree
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
disagree? Because this entry gets applied when? At the time of the sales, right?
Mm.
What will happen at the time of the sales? Debit credit, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
So what happened at the time of the sales? So let me do billing. So what the time of the billing, what is the entry?
Customer debit.
Customer to sales.
Customer to sales. So my cost of goods sold is getting affected at the time of the sales, right? Offsetting entry. So this value will be at what price? 150.
15.
10 quantity, no? 150. So here my customer is getting updated through a customer master, correct?
Yeah.
And my sales GL is getting updated via VKOA, right? Clear? Now this cost of goods sold, as it is an offsetting entry, for the offsetting entry the transaction key is GBB.
Okay.
Okay, there is an account modifier to it. Okay, let me check. I don't remember actually. I think it is VAX, something like that. Okay, let me check. Cost of goods sold. To this VAX, sorry, this is my GBB. Okay, GBB is my transaction key. To this my account modifier is VAX. To this I assign my cost of
goods
sold. Clear? But before I do this, do I have the stock of J700FG that I can sell? Do I have?
No.
Do I have the stock?
No.
Huh?
We have not purchased anything.
Nothing, na? There is no stock, nothing. It should come from the production, right?
Exactly.
Or maybe purchase.
Right.
Okay, maybe retail or maybe manufacturing, whatever, it is not there. So what we'll do is, I'll try to get in stock. So when I'm trying to get in stock, what gets updated? Stock is coming in, right?
Yeah. Stock will get debited. No?
So my stock is coming in. So what gets credited? Cost of goods manufactured. One entry I'll take. Okay. So we usually use it as initial stock upload. Okay. So what I'm trying to get is stock. I'm trying to update the stock. Either you can use it MB1A transaction code or MB1C. whatever you feel like. Okay.
MB1A.
Huh?
MB1A, right? One.
Either one. So I'll use MB1C for a stock upload. So that entry, what I'm trying to update is that cost of goods MFG, or you can call it as initial stock upload.
Oh.
I need to have some stock, right, to sell this entry.
Yes. Yes.
So FG get debits, credit this, whatever it is. So now to this also should be updated. This is also an offsetting entry. GBB BSA is an account modifier. To this I'll assign the cost of goods MFG or initial stock upload, whatever you call it. Okay. So first I'll create two entries in the master data in the P&L account side, 400, 600, create expense cost of goods sold. This cost of goods sold get expensed at the time of sales. Is the phrase clear, everyone?
Yeah.
G00. Let me take material one. Okay, save it. One more I'll create with template 400, 600 for initial stock upload. So this is cost of goods manufactured or initial TB load, whatever you call it, stock upload. Now I'll go to the OBYC, remember? Hello? Remember the transaction code OBYC?
Yes.
Yeah.
BSX. If you go to the BSX, we already updated it for the finished product.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to the offsetting entry, GBB. Now I need the modifier also. Okay. General modification, valuation clause. Okay, I'll save it here. So I'll give it as BSA for this. So what valuation class? 7920, right?
Yeah.
That stock, FG stock, right?
Right.
400, 601, right? Am I right?
600, no?
No, that is for cost of goods sold, we took it, right? Yeah. This for manufacturing. VAX is for cost of goods sold.
400, 600.
I'll save it. GBB, offsetting entries. Okay, in order to assign different GL accounts, this transaction codes helps through a account modifiable where you can assign different GL accounts. Okay. Now what I'll do, first I'll upload the stock. I need the stock, right? Okay. So I'll go to that MB1C transaction code.
So when we do account to initial upload, balance upload, that time also we do it like this only for stock.
Yeah. You can upload this way because stock also should get uploaded, right? At the same time the GL and the stock.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay. Otherwise, what they'll do, GL and I'll update it manually. Sorry, at that LSMW level. Stock also they can upload. They have a different transaction code where they can upload only the stock to it.
Okay.
Okay. Movement type 561. Note down.
So here you are uploading only stock or GL both?
Both, na? GL and stock.
Okay.
Otherwise, we can do it through MIGO only, no? MIGO. Let me check once. Remember we use MIGO, right? GR, goods receipt. Against the, which one?
PO.
Against the PO.
Yeah.
think there should be there. Let's see. Actually, this will be slow. Logistics. What, whether it will come or no? Only we are running the system. F8. Oh, we got it. Let's see. Goods receipt. Other. Hold on, I'm just trying, okay? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whether it will come through this. Able to do it. It will come here. Where plant J700, storage location JFG, item okay, check.
Quantity you have not mentioned.
Yeah, I'm checking. Here I have to give the quantity. So, see what it says. Now you should tell me this error, man.
Yeah, this OB52.
No, man.
The other one that is there.
We opened all 12 periods, right?
The other one for the material. There was another
What
one.
is that?
Don't remember the exact
That
code.
is
But I remember you were talking about it. Yeah.
BKOI.
No. It's not VKY. Very early on you mentioned one. She said that's our task, you said.
So that is how I answered it.
Don't remember the plan code right now.
OMSY.
OMFY.
It's good, this error has come. See, I'll go to company code J700. If I want to change it, can I change it? See?
No,
It's not letting me to change. So what did I say?
Yeah. There is another.
I think I showed you also how to change also, right?
Yeah.
/n MMPV. Able to recollect?
Yeah. Yes.
J700, fourth period. Automatically it will close the third period and open the fourth period. Yeah. You have 2013, no? 14. Execute. Done? Now let us go and check the OMSY. See, the moment they see this period, now this logistics guys will come back and tell us this is an FI issue. Okay?
Yeah.
So don't get confused. The moment they say, they'll say FI only, anything. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me come back to that. Goods receipt. Check. So I gave 100 quantity, man. Karthik.
Yeah. So what are you doing here? You're doing goods receipt on this 561.
I'm updating the stock. So what did I do? I took a goods receipt, other, I changed the movement type to 561.
So this no longer requires a PO, this goods receipt.
No, I don't need na PO. It's not based on the PO, right?
Okay.
Okay, I'm just getting in stock, man. You can get that way also what you're talking about. Okay, retail industry usually follows, right? They get the finished product and they sell it. Okay, so I'm updating this way. Check. I'm trying to post now.
In this case, what will be the entry now?
Let's see now that it should update my stock, right? Debit stock, right? Credit that.
Yeah.
See now, I'm posting it. Number range 49.
49.
So what is there? 14,000, right?
14.
Save it. Is this way is okay, or we should do we should have done actually everything and do it?
No, this is better.
This is better, huh? I don't know.
That way we won't even know.
I don't know, man. See, so and so document posted. Now let's see the document. Display, execute, document information, FI document. Debit, credit, correct? Hello?
Yeah.
Karthik?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let us see the stock. MMBE, note down to check the stock. Hey, this is all logistics, man, whatever I'm showing you. So don't get confused.
But this goods receipt is our thing, no? Or they'll do it that also.
Goods receipt?
To get the stock in, they'll do that also, right? They will do it.
Yeah, we don't do it, man. Execute. Hey, 100? So once we sell 10 means this should be how much?
90.
90. So let's see this. Okay, now I'll go ahead and do the delivery. Should I? I have the stock, right? Now I can do the delivery after this.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, if you want to do all the related work, you have to learn PP with product costing. COPC. Okay. So from manufacturing, it will come here. From here, it will go to the delivery. Okay. I just uploaded to show you one single thing. That's it. Go to the logic.
This one when you did, it is not, you just purchased it, right? There is no GL upload or anything.
Nothing. I just uploaded the stock. That's what I'm telling you.
So you made stock available, but you are not, like there is no opening balance. There is no balance to it right now. Or there is. Like GL, if I go to GL and see.
I uploaded the stock, man. That stock, I uploaded it. I uploaded the stock with an offsetting entry, initial upload kind of a thing. I kept one entry.
So both of them we'll see in trial. We'll see that expense account with the debit balance and stock also with the debit.
Exactly, correct. Now delivery. Just in order to show you the delivery, I should have some stock, right?
Yeah, I got that part, but I'm just trying to understand, like, for initial upload, how that is achieved and all that.
Keep on going, man. Okay. What I'll do is, so this is outbound delivery. Where is that? Okay, I already wrote it. So here is 01N. This is the transaction code. Okay, this date, whatever you're seeing now, hello, this should go beyond 7 days or something. Okay, otherwise it will tell you schedule lines like that. It is maintained in such a way that it approximately you cannot deliver on the same day. Okay, hello. There is an SD settings to it. So approximate maintain at least 7-8 days front, like from 3rd till whatever date in forward. I'll show you that error. Okay, 10 delivering 10, go to this picking. Okay, in the picking, how much you're delivering of this 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, how much? So I'll say 10, complete 10. Okay, edit incompleteness. Okay, no errors. Either you do a PGI, this one here, can you see here? Ports goes issue. Click on this. I don't know how they handle this logistic. It goes so slow. Because it's had to go to the MM side, it has to go to the FI side. Okay, see delivery number so and so. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll check this document now. Display. Okay. Enter. Here. Extras. Sorry. Environment document flow here. Or you use the material document number and you can see either way. Display document. Sorry, here. Display documents. Delivery, no? This number. Note down, movement type 601. See, it's saying does not exist in ledger, see.
Why?
No, it's updating. It takes time.
Okay. 601 is what?
Movement type. For upload, we did for delivery, sorry. Inquiry, quotation, order, delivery. What is happening, man?
It is saying complete, no?
Huh?
It is saying complete only there.
Yeah, same company, but it is not showing in the ledger.
No, I'm saying it is saying complete. In the environment right now you went in, right? It said complete there in document flow. Yeah.
Complete.
This-
It is over, no?
Yeah,
It is
but-
completed means only
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can see.
Yeah, but we're not able to see, no? That's what I'm saying.
No,
See, right?
the moment I'm saying accounting document, see now it has updated. It is taking time in the server.
Okay.
Look,
Yeah.
clear? Correct? Gone material? Price, watch the price.
Yeah. 10,000.
Correct?
Yeah.
So this is my delivery document number. Okay, now I'll do billing. VF01. Billing VF01. So this is the document number, sorry. Not this one. Okay. I press enter. Okay. Billing document, right? See, price is correct. Hello.
Yeah.
Here is coming what? Payer. Correct? Save it. Let's hope it. So it's telling some errors are there, see? No accounting document generated. Okay. Let's see what errors we have. So I'll go to slash and VF02. Okay. Change mode. I want to see that error. Hello. Okay. Enter here. The document flow. Back. No. Here. Can you see this revenue accounts? This one. Still not created. I'm just checking whether it is updating right or wrong. Can you see? My GL is will not update at customer group. This is not where we have assigned it, right?
Yeah.
This is also I have not assigned it, right? See, no GL found. This is the way did I assign? No. Here it is updating perfectly, right?
Yeah.
No problem. So it is no problem from this side. Okay. But whenever I am going to accounting, it is telling the account has not yet been created, right? Because it says not generated, right? Now if I saying as a release, see, what's this?
Tax code
Tax code.
is invalid.
Okay. Remember the taxation was speaking wrong, right? At our end over there. Now this is all related to the taxation now. Okay. First of all, let us see who have assigned the tax code to her. If you remember in MM02 when we went, someone else taxation was there.
Counting one, right?
Someone else, right? Some S500, right?
S500 was there.
Something was there. Even in the material master also was the same case. This is so slow, man. The system itself looks slow.
SPRO is slow today.
Position. This J700, see? What we'll do is, distribution. S500. Whose taxation is this? I'm not sure.
Condition type S500. What, this is
S500
default?
it is.
This is default or what? Is this default or what?
No. Somebody changed this, man. See, here we created J700, right? Karthik.
Yeah.
Where? Over here.
Mm.
Watch this. I've assigned J700 here. Correct? Sorry.
US.
For US. J700. Now, the system is unable to identify at the SD level something else is assigned over here. Okay. Now, what we have to do is we'll create one taxation over here. Okay. Define access sequence over here. Hello. Like pricing is there, na?
Yeah.
It's a cross client, fine. That's okay.
What that means?
So if you go here, see, you will find S500. Whoever has created.
Set.
1 second. So here in the condition type, what is the condition type was there? S500, right? Okay. This is the condition type they have created. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
So I'm copying that same condition type. I'll create a J700. Okay. Hello.
But
Yes.
there is no default one that we can use.
No, they changed it actually. Somebody.
Okay.
Standard one, they changed it, man. I'll show you where they changed it. Hello.
If it was so for instance, if it was a standard one, then also
Yeah.
condition type name will be something else only. Like here it was S500, you are defining J700.
No, but whatever that condition type we have defined it, na, we have defined it exactly in respect to whatever the requirement was there. Hello.
Okay.
Remember taxes percentages, right?
Yeah.
So that is where actually if you use the standard it will not give you a problem. Okay. Now I'll show you where he has changed it. You will get a clarity now. Karthik. Hello.
Okay.
Now this condition type I've changed it to J700. Now you will see over here define tax determination rule here, position, country US. Now it will allow me to change here. J700. Getting this? Hello.
Hmm.
Now, if I go back and check into my material master or customer master, what you should see?
JSON.
See,
MMC.
that is the reason I tell you should not change. See, got it?
Hmm.
Earlier it was
It's 500.
Yes,
500. So if you want to make it a node, I am not assigned there. Tax classifications. Okay, let me assign it. Okay, is it clear till here? Hello.
Yeah.
yes,
Step by step I am showing you again. Watch this. Karthik.
Yeah.
Otherwise it will be a confusion. This is clear, right? This taxation is clear, right? FI side. So what did I do? I came back to the SD side and defined the condition type.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
That same condition type I've assigned it to the tax determination rule. Here, country wise, right here,
Hmm.
to the US. Then that same I need to assign it to the relevancy of master records here. Okay, customer and material. See, for customer I go here, position, earlier it was S500, right? We took it. So what I'll do, one is taxable, one is exemption. Okay, otherwise you create new entries like this. Hello, J700, you name whatever it is. I'll keep 0 for exemption. Hello,
Yeah.
J700, one is for taxable.
Thanks.
This is for what? Material.
Hmm. No, customer.
Customer, sorry.
Customer.
Customer. Now I'm doing for material also.
Hmm.
S500. What I'll do, I'll select and copy.
Hmm. JSON.
Now I'll go back to that material master.
Hmm.
Earlier it was giving me a problem, right?
Hmm.
Now see this. I think again we need to run that one order to this one. Whether it will take, I don't know. See. Now we got it.
Hmm.
Clear? Same thing for material customer also. Hello.
Yeah.
See here.
Hmm. Exempt.
Exemption. Clear?
Hmm.
Now let us see whether it will work or no. Otherwise, we need to do it again. I'm releasing it. See, again it's telling the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So it has worked as per the S500 procedure. Remember everywhere when I was doing it.
yes,
Hmm.
Okay. So it worked that way. So you have to cancel the billing, do the reversals, completely reverse part from the SD side. So what I'll do is I'll create from order now. Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll not go to inquiry quotation. I'm directly into the order. So this is also one scenario. Rather than going to inquiry quotation, you can create from order also, right? Karthik?
yes,
Yeah.
So directly I'll give here. So required delivery date, see I'm giving this. Material J700 FG. So how much quantity should I give?
10.
10. Okay, enter. Double click on this. Go to the shipping. Give this here, story location.
Hmm. Yeah.
J FG. Back. Okay, price and everything gets updated. If you go to the conditions, this is the icon for condition. Okay,
Hmm.
back, edit, check for any errors, no errors, save it. Either you do the delivery from here or go to the transaction code VL01N. I wrote it there, right? Hello, it'll take you there.
yes,
Here, enter. Picking how much? 10 quantity. Okay, do the PG. Done. Should I show the documents? Okay. Hello.
No, no. Okay. For goods issue, right?
Yeah, delivery to the customer.
No,
You've seen it, no?
Yeah, we see.
Same thing, no man.
Mm.
Earlier it was taking time, remember? This one.
Yeah, we seen it. Yeah.
Okay, same 10. So based on the delivery, we do the billing.
EF01.
Okay, this is the number. Right, delivery. Now enter. Try to save it. Please, it says the same thing. What?
Still hasn't created.
Okay. Let's see now what is the issue. Go to the change mode.
Again, change.
Where is this procedure coming, man? I don't have this. Did we create this tax code for tax exemption? Huh?
We did create something, but
What did we create? I'm talking for exemption.
yeah, I think we created one for example, but I don't know whether it was called U0 or not. We did create something for exemption.
I don't know, man. Are we sure? Why it is asking? But did we create for any exemption? I'm asking that time.
We created something for 0%, but I'm not sure whether it was called U0. Yeah, it must be something else.
That is what this logic guys does, man. Whenever they teach it, all slash and VF02.
Inconsistent.
Correct. Slash n week 11. What is the condition type for taxation? I told you. Hello. In RVA 001. Did I or not? Huh?
Yeah, you quickly moved there.
that is
No, in RVA 00 last time I showed you MWS. See MWST, MWST, MWS. Okay. Hello.
yeah.
Clear? So if you go to the condition type MWST, right? Has put domestic taxes. So country is US. customer, right?
Hmm.
So we'll select for both. One is for customer, one is for material. Liable, right? Hello.
Payable. Tax
Material, see? 2. So I'll give it here 0%.
Oh,
Tax
this
code
is
we
different.
created, right? Some
This is different
V0.
to,
Huh?
this is different to the one you created, that pay tax payable and exempt that you created, no, 0 and 1. That is different. This is different, right?
No, I'm making it as a VK11 and I'm updating. No, it is not taking there. No, hello. Like price, how we have updated, we need to update, right? Certain percentage to it, right? Like this price, how did this price got updated, Karthik? This price,
Yeah.
how it got updated? Through
VK11.
condition type, PR00.
PR.
Through VK11 and where we maintained. Right. Similarly, for this condition type MWST through VK11, I need to update it. I need to give some value to it. That is where it is giving to this tax code.
Yeah, the one we created was V0, man. That was what you were saying, no? V0 we created.
See, it is there, no? All the tax codes ours.
J0, see, J0 is the exemption that you created, J0.
No, but it is not picking J0, no? So it was taking some other tax code. So I just picked up this tax code.
But how is it taking U0? Why it should take J0 only, right?
J0, but I think we need to, this J700, what you're seeing, na? This procedure. Hello? This procedure, let me show you then. The standard, these people. Okay, I'm going to this access sequence, okay? Hello? One second. I'll copy this. Okay? Hello? I'll change it to J700. Copy all. Save it. Step number 1 in this taxes access sequence key. Remember, if you remember, I did it in taxes, right? MWST, copied, changed it to J700. Okay? Hello?
Yeah. But why are we
Define
doing
and
this, man? I
assign.
don't understand this still. Why are we doing this? We should take the standard MWST only, no? Why are we defining it?
Why I'm changing it? When I'm going to this define and assign procedure over here, if I maintain here pricing procedure, I'll give it my this one MWST. I'll remove the MWST and I'll give it over here. Here, this one, J700. Clear? Hello?
Yeah.
I gave it mine. So next, change the condition type J700. Okay. So in condition type, assign the access sequence key, your own access sequence key. We created na just now. Where in the condition type. This. So ours is based on what? Jurisdiction level, right? Hello? Right or wrong?
No.
Yeah, jurisdiction.
Okay. Done. So what did I do? I updated the transaction in the condition type access sequence key, plus I have updated the condition category as what? Jurisdiction level. Okay. Now let me check once the taxation part. Position US, correct, J700. Position J700. Okay, fine. /n mm02. Okay, fine. Week 11. So this will be J700 domestic taxes. Where is my jurisdiction gone?
U0.
Huh?
U0, you want check U0. U0 you wanted to check, right?
No, 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 that I have given it. No, I should get my one second. I should pick up my taxation. This one, J0. Hello.
But you defined U0 also, right? There.
I don't want to use, man. I want to use which I have defined in the FI level. Right? J0, J1, J2, all this. Whichever is there, I want to use those, not those.
Right.
What the hell is this? Oh.
Let's save something.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, 1 second, I'll tell you. Yes.
Mm.
See, my taxation is not getting updated over here.
Mm. Not allowed as item.
Hmm. See, not coming, right?
Mm. But why didn't it take MWST? MWST itself, it should work, right?
MWST it should work, but as per the
Like,
jurisdiction level, right? In that he changed it in that. Hello.
so there is no way to restore if somebody changes it.
You can.
Mm. Because
Let's
nobody should be allowed to change default data, right? I mean,
see.
like PR double
See, this is
zero.
not our job, man. This is not the CEO. This getting into this because that part they will look into it. Actually,
Like PR double zero you defined, no PR double zero
even
is
he changed
default.
it. PR double zero. PR double zero also was 7979. If you have seen it in that, it's a training server, no? So just people play around with this system. You're right. Let's do that way only. Try to restore that. Where is J700 gone? Okay. Karthik.
Yeah.
I'll go to this condition type. I'll copy. I'll change it to J701. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Done. I need to change this. Right? Hello.
Yeah.
701. Copy. Okay. Back. Slash and mm02.
But what you just defined as J701, that was also MWST, right, earlier?
Earlier it was MWST. Right. But that condition type of MWST, if you want to see, there is no this thing in that. 1 second. This one, right? This is based on tax.
Without
Ours is
jurisdiction.
what? Jurisdiction. So that is why I changed it. Okay.
So there is no default for that one with jurisdiction.
It's there, no? There will be there, the defaults over here.
No, for jurisdiction there is no default. No, then MWST is a standard one which is not for jurisdiction.
No,
So
but there are over here for the jurisdiction also. You're talking about there MWST was given, right? You want to assign a default one over there, right? For that particular one.
Yeah. So
there will be here.
Like MWST is where it's just tax, jurisdiction or whatever. What is only tax? This jurisdiction, without jurisdiction, that
jurisdiction will come over there, not here, man. Okay.
Then it's the same thing. Okay.
Yeah, same thing. So same MWST I'm keeping. So tax relevancy for master records, we have seen it. Where was I? I was checking in the material master. Correct. problem is
701.
huh?
701 right condition.
Why it is not taking my tax code? See,
Not be checked.
one second, I'll just try once. Okay, updated.
Incorrect, it's saying most of the
Hmm.
time.
No, this is not the one, right? Is this the one? Oh yeah, 196. 196, right?
Hmm.
So this is 9001. Same error.
Consistent. Hmm.
Mm-hmm. One second. Okay. But we maintained now V0 with jurisdiction level.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. V0 will, but it's saying U0 is inconsistent.
Oh, why U0 it is asking? Man, it should go with our tax codes, right?
Hmm. It is what?
Where this is when it has come. Procedure, condition types, counting key, FTXV with jurisdiction level. And again, get to this SDM and relevant changes. And then on there. Jurisdiction level. Let me check, man. I'll come back tomorrow on this. Okay?
Yeah,
To
I
run.
think so.
Okay, the taxation part.
Hmm.
Alright, see you then tomorrow.
Okay, Pradeep. Okay.
Alright,
Thanks.
right. Alright, but the scenario is clear, right? What I was trying to do, that was the last part.
Thank you, Kadir.
Okay?
Yeah.
After customer to sales, what will you do? after billing?
Receipt, no?
Payment receipt.
Yeah.
So
No,
what's the
I
entry?
have a very simple doubt. We are raising that cost of goods sell of amount 1 lakh or 10,000. Then we are just making up, means when we are raising the bill, we have the amount is, means the difference of amount what we will do, that is the profit.
Yeah, that
But,
automatically
where we will show that, means
automatically it goes.
Automatically it goes, na? This is what?
Trading,
This
trading.
is debit, right? P&L
Trading
debit,
account.
right?
yes,
What is this? P&L debit, right?
yes,
Sales is what?
P&L credit, no? This is like the trading account that we used to create in class level, where
yeah,
This is what?
automatically it used to go.
okay.
So what you will get in P&L balance?
Okay.
Debit and
Automatically
credit,
it will
what
go
you will
adjust.
get? So that's what I was telling. It gets expensed at the time of the sale.
But both the accounts are different, no? Because the sale is 3 lakh or something, and cost of goods sold also we have created another GL account. So
Okay, I have created 4 series. This we created 3 series.
yes,
But when we create the GL account, what do we say? P&L, right?
yes,
Then
yeah,
It will all get expensed out when we see the P&L. We'll see the
Ah.
final picture. We'll see the final picture. That's what.
yeah, in the FSV, financial statement version.
yeah, okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Kadir,
Yeah.
did you thought about this Friday class, Friday and Saturday?
Friday and Saturday you want to know. So I'll just take this issue, Gaji, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
This particular issue I'll take it.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
And Saturday, Sundays, Sundays, Sunday, Monday we'll take sessions. Then, Monday I'll take. That will
okay,
be Sunday for you. Sunday even I won't take. Okay.
yeah, Sunday night, okay, only
Yeah,
Friday
Sunday
and
evening.
Saturday.
Sunday evening. So all the people who are India, it will be Monday morning for them. Karthik.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And for us, Saturday, Sunday is off, right?
Yeah, Saturday, Sunday is off.
Okay,
So tomorrow we are meeting to resolve this issue at the most.
Okay,
okay,
Yeah.
yes.
And if any questions,
Yeah. Let's look at this one and any other questions.
yeah, any other questions, we'll look into it. That's it.
okay,
Okay.
All right.
okay. Thank you, Kadir.
Okay.
Right.
Thanks, Kadir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.